Okay, this is a T310. This is what you're going to be putting the memory into. So, come around here. After you pull it out and uncable everything, you'll see that it has a little lock key. You're going to need a flat end screwdriver just in case it's turned down to this position. See how close I can get in here. This position, that means you won't be able to lock the door. You want it in this position, so it'll turn that way. Alright, underneath there's a handle. You push up on it. Correction, you push down on it, and the cover opens out and flies off. So you want to push down on this handle. You can see how some of the pieces are moving up top. Put the cover off where you can find it. Then lay it down. The memory is located, got the hard drives here. The memory is located down here. You see it's marked with the memory icon. I don't know how well this is going to come in. And this one already has 2 sticks in it. So to get all this covering off, first you want to take this off. Okay, that comes off. You just press this tab and then pull it up. And then you want to take this bevel off here. And by the looks of it, you just need to get this cable on the side out of the way. Be careful with it, because that's for your hard drives. And it opens it up, so it just swings open. Alright. Alright, so to take the memory out, all you have to do is push these white tabs on the side, or black tabs on either side, and it kind of pops up. Alright, so this is what I'm sending you. Alright, to put it back in, you notice that it has a notch in the middle of it. You want to match that notch up with the notch in the middle of that board. See where that notch is? Alright, so you line up this notch with that one on the board, and it just drops it in. Make sure that you put it in the slots on either side. And this is kind of difficult doing with one hand, but we'll manage. And I think I got that in backwards, I do. Don't worry about dropping it that much. Alright, now you're going to push down on it until both sides click in. And it looks like that. Now when you put in those additional pieces, you're going to put them in this slot here, 3 and 4. Or if there are 2 on each side, you're going to put them in right above it and right right below it. So this one already has, let's see how much memory it has in here. Okay, this one has 2 gigs. The one that you're going to be working on has 4. So it'll probably have 2 slots filled and then a slot open and then 2 more slots. But either way it goes, if you look at this cover, you can see it says 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're just gonna add to the number sequence. If you get confused, give us a call here. We'll sort it out. And then put the cover back on. It's just hooking it in. And it clicks back into place. No fuss, no muss. Alright. Don't do like I just did and forget to put the piece that we took out back in there. If you do, it's no big deal. It's just for aesthetics. You just slide it back in there. And the other end's got a little slot over here that it goes in. So slide it in there. Make sure it snaps into place. Put your cover back on. Power it back up. And with any luck, everything worked out fine. Okay? Not the best quality video, but best I could do with one hand. Talk to you later.